In this video, we'll cover sorting and rearranging in charts. To sort your chart data, go ahead and right-click anywhere on the chart. From here, navigate to Sort, and you'll see that you can sort columns alphabetically or by sum. In this video, we'll cover sum ascending. You can see that the columns have rearranged such that the sum of the totals is ascending from left to right. This will remain the same even if we change our underlying data. So let's double-click to go into our data editor. From here, we can, for example, change the value of the z-series of gamma to be 50. This has, of course, increased the sum of gamma, and so it's now moved to the right. That's sorting. For rearranging, go ahead and just select a series that you want to rearrange. From here, if you click and drag it, you'll see these gray placeholders pop up. And this means that I could drop it into either one of these placeholders. Let's drop it into this top. Here, you'll see that the X series has now moved up to be at the top, and Z and Y have moved down. Importantly, you'll note that the color order has stayed the same, meaning the yellow is on the top, the green is the middle, and on the bottom you have this dark color. This is very much by design, so that you can rearrange your series however much you'd like, and everything will still look consistent across your entire presentation. However, if you do want to make specific changes to a series color, you can always do that by selecting a series and changing it here. That will of course break your default color scheme, but the option is yours if you'd like to do so.